to sell hand-carved wooden utensils on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be one of these sellers and make a lot of money for yourself. So for example, let's check one of these shop pages like this one, for example. So guys, in today's video, we're going to see how we can create a shop page exactly like this one, how you can add the pictures of your product or the video, how you can add the details of your product, also how you can set all of the shop policies, the return and shipping policies as well, the delivery and all of that. So let's just go back to the main page, then go to your top right, click on the shop manager button. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So as you can see in here, we have 6 steps to go through in order to create our Etsy shop. And the first step is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop. Then you will stock your shop. Then you will choose how you'll get paid. You will set up the payment processors. Then you will end with the shop security. So let's get started by the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you will need to choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to setting up the name of the store or the shop. So just remove the special characters and the spaces between words. Then try to shorten the name. So here we have hand-carved wooden utensils. What can we remove? Let's remove utensils, for example. So here it's between 4 and 20 characters. And as you can see, the name is already taken. So just add a number. Then the name will be unique. Click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop or adding some photos and details about your item. So before proceeding to adding the details of the product, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields in order to proceed to the next step. So we will need to fill these 4 fields. The first one is photos. You will need at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. We will need to give our product a price. Then we have the listing details. You will need to turn all of these red fields into white through filling them, of course. Then we have the shipping, and the same as well. You will need to turn them all white. So let's start from the photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. So here, type the title of your product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Let's go with a finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's choose recently. Then we have the category. So just type your product's name and then choose one of these categories. So I'm going to choose the second one, the serving utensils. And here you have some additional details to go through, like the material of the product, if it's bamboo, ceramic, cork, glass, metal, paper, plastic, or stone, or whatever. Then we have the primary color. Here you choose one of these colors, the secondary color as well. Then you have the sustainability. So here you choose up to 3 elements. Then we have the occasion, if you want to search for an occasion. Then we have the holiday, if you want to search for one. Then we have the renewal options, if you want to choose an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to go with the manual, which is free. Then we have the physical, the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then for the description, in order to enter a good description for the product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. So here you can choose or add a production partner if you have any. Then we have the section tags and materials, and all of them are optional. So I'm just going to skip them for now. Then we have the price. So here I'm just going to enter this price, for example. Then if you want to turn this domestic and global pricing on, you can do that. If not, you can just leave it like that. Then you type the quantity that you have, the SKU if there is any. Then we have the shipping. So as I said in the beginning, just make sure to fill all of these read fields with the correct information. Then we have the returns and exchanges. So here you have 2 options if you want to choose the 30 days one or you want to choose another one. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.